Imagine a world without Google. No more quick searches, no more endless information at your fingertips. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that this future might be closer than you think? Is Google search, the titan of the internet, facing its downfall? Let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and explore the potential threats to Google's reign. From its humble beginnings in a Stanford University dorm room to becoming a global internet powerhouse, Google has revolutionized the way we access information. Its search engine algorithm, PageRank, has been the gold standard for decades. Recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, particularly in areas like natural language processing and understanding, have created a new generation of AI models capable of tasks once thought impossible. These models can process vast amounts of data, learn from it, and generate human-like text and code. Examples of AI-powered applications, such as ChatGPT, which can generate human-quality text, or Google's own Lambda, a language model that has shown signs of sentience. AI-powered search engines could potentially offer more comprehensive and relevant results than traditional search engines. For example, they could understand natural language queries more accurately, provide more contextually relevant information, and even anticipate user needs. Google has been investing heavily in AI research and development. Its DeepMind subsidiary has made significant contributions to fields like machine learning and reinforcement learning. Google has introduced new AI-powered features into its search engine, such as more comprehensive answers to complex queries and personalized recommendations. Despite these efforts, Google faces challenges in maintaining its dominance. AI-powered startups and tech giants like Microsoft and Apple are also investing heavily in AI, and the competition for the search market is intensifying. AI models can perpetuate biases present in the data they are trained on. This can lead to discriminatory search results, reinforcing existing inequalities. The ability of AI to generate realistic text can make it easier to spread misinformation and disinformation. The increased reliance on AI raises concerns about privacy, as these models often require large amounts of personal data to function effectively. The rise of AI could lead to job displacement in industries that rely heavily on search engine optimization and content creation. While Google's dominance in the search engine market is undeniable, the rise of AI presents a significant challenge. It's possible that a new generation of AI-powered search engines could emerge, offering features and capabilities that Google cannot match. The future of search is uncertain. While Google has a strong foundation, it must continue to innovate and adapt to the rapidly evolving landscape of AI. Only time will tell whether it will remain the undisputed champion, or if a new contender will rise to the top. What do you think? Share your thoughts on the future of search in the comments section. Do you believe Google will maintain its dominance? Or if a new AI-powered search engine will emerge as a serious competitor? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.